So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at repairing this damaged worktop edge. What you will need to complete this task: some sharp chisels, 2-part car body filler, various grades of sandpaper, coloured paints of the colour of the worktop, some matte lacquer, some masking tape and some spare newspaper. As you can see, it's been badly damaged on the edge in the back corner. The top of the worktop is not too badly damaged, but it's been raised by the damage on the side. Using a small sharp chisel, carefully remove all the damaged area from the side without damaging any of the surface laminate. You need to remove as much as possible so you can allow the surface laminate to be pushed flat. As you can see, I've managed to remove the damage and I'm now able to push down on the laminate to make it flat. Mix some 2-part car body filler, remember 1 inch of hardener to a golf ball of filler. Using something flat and heavy, in this case a small wood plane, use it to keep the top of the worktop flat and fill the hole with the filler. I held the plane in position until the filler set. The filler has now set, holding the laminate back in its original position. Apply more filler if you need to. Don't forget to protect the other areas with some masking tape. Always fill all areas that I've damaged. Leave the filler to set. When set, using a larger sharp chisel, carefully start to scrape the filler back. Then sand with 180 grit sandpaper. Don't forget to protect the other areas like I did. keep sanding until flat. Keep applying more filler if needed and repeat the process. When you're happy, just tidy up the edges if needed. Finish off with 320 grit sandpaper and you're ready to start to paint the pattern back in. Right, firstly we need to paint the base colour of the worktop over the filled areas. Using these three colours, I start to mix them to get the desired colour. A little more black that's needed. I then added this dark brown. After some attempts, I finally get the colour match I'm looking for. Paint all the areas you've filled. Dab it with your finger to lose the brush marks. Don't forget these colours dry a lot darker than what they look when they're wet, so please bear this in mind. Okay, the base coat has been applied. We now need to paint the pattern back in. Using this dark brown, I start to test the match on top of the worktop. Using different colours, paint the pattern back in, starting with the darkest one to the lightest. Okay, I'm happy with the repair so far. It's now time to apply a number of coats of lacquer. In this case, it's a matte lacquer. Not forgetting to mask all the other areas off before you start. Lightly sand over the repair with some 320 grit sandpaper. Then apply the final coat of lacquer. All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's busted. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please, subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.